Hey Heath.
Hey Kevin.
Little lighting layout?
Yeah, it's time to put in some of these recessed lights.
Okay, what are you working with here?
So we're working with an area that we weren't sure what was going to happen in here.
The built-ins?
The built-ins, and we weren't sure what was going in originally.
Yeah.
So having that, we just buried a wire for future use.
Oh, okay. So it's up there somewhere.
It's up there somewhere.
Okay. So how did you end up with, I'm seeing a line in the ceiling, I'm seeing a laser this way. What dictates your layout?
So the nice part about this is they hadn't painted this yet, so I could snap one of the light chalk lines on here and not worry about upsetting the painters and leaving a mess for them. And we got that by putting the laser down the front edge of the cabinets. Now that the cabinets are in, we have a straight line on the face of this. And we know we want the light typically on the front edge of this, but we want to keep it in a straight line the whole way as well. Yep. Where this one's shallow, this one's a little further in. This is a nice constant straight line.
And are you ready to cut?
We're ready. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to our new mark. I'm going to take a small screwdriver and just poke a hole through the plaster. So I know the hole we want to cut is about 3 1/4, so I'm actually going to go a little bigger. I'm going to bend this at about 2 inches to give me a little wiggle room. And then on the other side, I'm going to bend this small piece in the same direction, just so I know which way this is pointing. And then once I put that in the hole, when I spin it, I know I at least have 4 inches clear of any obstruction.
Never gets old to see. It's like an electrician's divining rod. So if you can rotate that without any obstructions, you know you've got a 4-inch.
So I know I can spin that. I've got at least a 4-inch space. This is wide open all the way up other than the insulation.
That's awesome. So ready to cut?
All right, ready for the hole saw. Let that drop, and then we can go ahead and go right through.
Look at that, free and clear.
So now we'll reach up and grab that wire, which should be right in here.
Like a magician pulling a rabbit out of the ceiling.
I guess the pictures didn't lie.
You did not.
So we're going to go ahead and cut this. We ran a continuous loop the whole way through because we weren't sure where it was going to go. We didn't want to have a break somewhere that was buried that we had to get to.
Yep.
So we know this is good now. I'm going to strip a little off each side.
This is your circuit.
And then if you want to pass me the junction box.
Yeah, no wire nuts, just push connectors.
No, it comes with push connectors on it, so we can go ahead and just strip these and push them right in.
My kind of wiring right there, Heath.
Nice and easy. Now we'll just tuck them in.
Black to black, white to white.
That's it.
So our little tail there, just going to connect to what you've picked for going in.
That's it. It's actually a gimbal, so it tips internally to let us wash whatever we want to.
And you've actually shown this to us before. That's a push connection, and then these little mouse traps here, they'll actually hold it up in place.
They do. So I'm just going to press that in. Screw that together. That'll keep it from pulling apart. And now we'll just tuck it up in.
Oh, that is just clever. All right, Heath, fire it up. It's on. Look at that, huh?
All right.
That is terrific. So right now we are washing up here.
Yep, we're a little higher on the brick.
Yep, and we've got a little ambient down here, but not much.
And if they want to tip it down and get more down there, or maybe put something in the center,
move that eyeball.
we can change that around.
Full directional right there.
Yeah.
That's very cool. Left and right, forward and back.
A little bit of everything.
I love it. Okay. And so 1 in, how many more to go?
3 over here and then a few in the kitchen.
Gonna make a huge difference, Heath. Thank you.
Thanks.
Love it.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.